Alright, this is going to be timing. 1990 Mitsubishi Mirage. 5 degrees with what does it say? With, or when ignition timing terminal is grounded. The ignition timing terminal, you see it right there? It's got this little plug on it. This plug. Single wire connector. Plug will go right on it. So you gotta ground that. This is a rigged way to do it. I have it grounded right here. Obviously get on your number 1. This is my smog machine, the other one. Number 1. And your timing marks are a pain in the ass to see on this one. Let's see if I can even get it on camera. I doubt I am. Timing marks are right there. Really hard to see on this one. Really hard to see. Right there by my finger. Really hard to see. Now you can see the light flashing right there where my finger was at. That's where you line it up. Thanks for looking.